All right, guys, second example of solving a system of equations by graphing. Now, this one's definitely harder. If you look at my equations here, neither of them are in slope-intercept form. So it's going to make it harder to graph. Now, first step is going to be putting it in slope-intercept form so I can graph it easier. So I'm actually going to start with the bottom one because I think you'll find the bottom one easier. So if I start out with 2x equals y plus 4. See, the main thing is slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, and the y is all by itself. So right now, y is not by itself. It has that plus 4 with it. So I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. That cancels. Y is now by itself. And on the left side, I just have 2x minus 4. Can't actually do that subtraction. They're not like terms. Now that basically is slope-intercept form. Most people just like the y to be in the front. So a lot of people would switch this around and just turn the equation into y equals 2x minus 4. That is slope-intercept form. My slope would be 2. My y-intercept would be negative 4. So I'd have a point there. That's my y-intercept, and a slope of 2. I'd go up 2. Let me X this out. Go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Well, the last couple were bad. And I could make a line looks like that. Let me switch colors here. Now my other equation, 9 minus 3y equals x, also not slope-intercept form, and y is not by itself again. So I'm going to start out, subtract 9 on both sides. That cancels. So I get negative 3y equals x minus 9. And then y is still not by itself. I have to divide by negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 cancels. I also have to divide this entire side by negative 3. Now, when you're doing this, I mean everything on this side is divided by negative 3. So that is 1x. That's going to turn into a 1 over negative 3 is negative 1/3 x. And then negative 9 divided by negative 3. That is a negative divided by negative is going to be positive 3. So I have y equals negative 1/3 x plus 3. Slope is negative 1/3. Y-intercept is plus 3. So I'm starting up here. Slope of negative 1/3 would be down 1 over 3. And then I'd be going off the graph. I could reverse the slope and go up 1 left 3, but I have enough points really by now. My line would look something like that. And right there, you can see that's the point where they intersect. That is the point 3, 2. I probably don't have enough time to plug these in, but if I took this point and plugged 3 in for x and 2 in for y, and I took that, plugged it into both of these equations, it would give me a true statement for both equations because this point is a solution for both equations. That's why those lines intersect there. They intersect there because that is the one value that is contained by both lines.